Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an interesting set to shoot an item. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just doing this on my table right here. But I set up my watch right here, as well as a book behind it. And I think it looks pretty nice. There's some nice blue in the book. Can't see it the most, but it matches with the watch. I'm mainly going to be focusing on lighting. Okay, so first thing I'm going to want to think about is the direction of the light. So we have natural ambient light coming in from this direction, and we're going to want to match these shadows here behind the watch. And it's cool light, so we're going to make sure we're using some sort of cool light. I have LEDs. I have the GVM LED light, and so I'm going to be setting that to a cool temperature to match this ambient sunlight. So now this is what it looks like immediately after setting up my LED light. I just have one studio light set up right now. I'm gonna set up another. However, I just want to show you the first one right now. As you can see, it's giving it a lot warmer tone from the light, because right now it's mixed with warm and cool LEDs. And you can see that the light being cast upon this watch is now a lot warmer, which I kind of like actually. And the shadows behind it are also much more exaggerated. The other thing to keep in mind is that this light is going to have the barn doors as open, as wide as possible, because I'm emulating that natural sunlight, which is naturally very widely dispersed and diffused. I'm just trying to find, where it might look good. I think right about something like that looks pretty nice, where I'm not getting any reflection of the light in the watch. However, I'm getting a really nice underlighting.